Retail and wholesale industries have some of the highest employee turnover, but if you're watching this video, you probably already feel the effects.
That's why retail organizations are leveling up their training and development with extended reality and immersive learning. Today, we're taking a look at 5 ways retail organizations can use extended reality for their training programs.
Hi, and welcome to the Training and Development channel. I'm Aubrey.
And I'm Nick. At Roundtable Learning, we work with retail organizations to drive employee growth through immersive learning programs. And we found that one of the most successful ways to do this is with extended reality technologies.
So let's jump in and explore 5 great ways that you can use virtual and augmented reality for your retail training.
Let's start with your employee's first experience at your organization, onboarding. One of the most important parts of retail training is getting employees acquainted with the organization, products, and job duties, and doing it fast. Extended reality technologies can be integrated into your onboarding process to better engage your new hires while boosting their knowledge retention. You can prepare your new hires for all sorts of job activities before they even interact with products or customers.
Customer service can be tough. Using retail training allows for experiential learning, which is believed to be one of the most efficient learning methods. If employees find themselves in a scenario similar to the one they experienced in VR training, they will be able to recall the appropriate methods to navigate that situation. Virtual reality technology can be used to immerse retail associates in a situation where they can practice navigating how to appropriately deal with a disgruntled or difficult customer. This allows employees to practice what they've learned without affecting your customers' experiences.
Your employees should be the experts on the products they sell, but this can be tough when they are limited on supplies or when new products are being introduced. With augmented reality, you can put products in front of your associates without having them on location. Your associates can see existing or new products and familiarize themselves with all of the components and how they work, right on a phone, tablet, or headset. When you then integrate tutorial videos and information about how to use the products, your employees will be able to confidently sell to customers and how to support them through the buying process.
A point-of-sale system and cash handling can be a huge hurdle for employees to learn and practice. With augmented reality, you can recreate your point-of-sale system on any flat surface and allow employees to practice checking out customers, accepting payments, and navigating through your custom point-of-sale system.
Unfortunately, training can require covering some difficult topics, such as employee and customer safety. In retail, store employees might face dangerous situations where they have to deal with fires, natural disasters, violent customers, shoplifters, or even armed robberies. Though these situations come far and few between, it is still extremely important for employees to know what to do in dangerous situations. Virtual reality experiences can equip employees with the skills and knowledge to react appropriately during a dangerous situation.
We've covered some great examples of using extended reality today. For more details, you can read the full article at roundtablelearning.com. And if you want a free demo to see firsthand how extended reality can be used with your business, you can schedule time with our team today. The link is in the description below.
If you have any questions, reach out to us at any time. Then make sure to like this video and subscribe for all things training and development.